chisel's definitely the way to go.
Huh?
Air chisel's definitely the way to go.
Oh yeah.
Thumbs and you can't get as much on my hand.
Man, you kicked ass on that one, bud. Back here on the Galaxie, Wick and I put the leaf springs back. We've got some back and lower plates here for the shock mounts. Beautiful. Little bead blasting. I'll have pictures up on the Instagram. All fresh here. Everything's mounted up, looking nice, looking good. Way nicer than where we were, obviously. Fresh rubber, little shebang. But now we're pulling the axles. Check that out. Original axle seal. That's pretty neat, Wick.
Mm-hmm.
The original Fomoco.
Yeah, no wonder it was leaking.
Yeah, that makes
60
perfect
years
sense.
is pretty good service at it.
Yeah.
Bearing doesn't look all that great either.
That bearing looks fantastic.
That's nasty.
Someone with the silicone.
Mm-hmm.
Lovely.
Yeah, well, I go to the trouble to pull the axle out. I guess they thought this is where it was leaking.
Yeah. Yeah, people are dumb.
Apparently.
But we know this.
Dropped out.
2 out of 3 ain't bad. Ooh, that's probably warm.
Yeah.
Grab those. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Clean them up a little bit.
Well, it's not tighten this.
Woo!
Ooh, that's probably warm, huh?
Yeah. Hurry.
Ooh, shit. It's harder when there's only one.
Mm-hmm.
All
It's
right.
starting to bend.
It was comfort in numbers. Shit. I got you. Look at that save.
Good catch.
Custom Chingus?
Yeah.
Nothing new. Pertronix spacer shim.
It's just kind of bringing back memories, but I don't know.
Custom rotor.
Mm-hmm.
To fit the custom Pertronix. With the custom spacers.
Mm-hmm.
Because nobody makes anything that fits right. This is a recurring.
Yeah, it does seem like a recurring theme, doesn't it?
Yeah. Custom. Everything.
Yeah. Just put those files away. Oh, I got that other one over here, though.
Nobody makes anything that fits right. Oh, you got that busted guy.
Broken guy.
That's like a prison file.
That's kind of what it looks like, huh? Maybe they were getting it ready in case they went to prison.
Throw that shit in a cake. They still do that?
Probably. Well, no, they don't have to because they just get out of prison.
Oh, yeah.
They don't have to do that.
Yeah, you just get let out early anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So you say that's a gel battery in a OE looking
Okay,
body. Yeah.
So it says automate.
That's sweet. I like that.
These are fake.
But it looks awesome.
Mm-hmm. I gotta get another